earlier this morning. It rained last night. It's probably gonna be humid outside, but I'm already having trouble getting going because I'm 10 minutes late to leave. So I better get going. Speaking of raining last night, there's a couple of drops coming down this morning, and it doesn't look like it's gonna get as bad as it did that one day when it like downpoured on us when we were halfway home. Here goes nothing. That's a mile and a half. Checked my time, 15 minutes. My goal was 9. That's 6 minutes off my time that I don't think is physically possible for me to get off in 2 weeks. But I'm gonna keep shooting for it. I know that it's probably not attainable. The closer I can get to 9 minutes, a mile and a half, the closer I can say the more I can say that I at least tried. It is so quiet this morning. I guess because it's Sunday. It is a great morning for a run. If you're not getting out and running, you definitely need to do it. But for the moment, I gotta get home. Home after a mile and a half. I gotta fix breakfast for everyone and head to church this morning. It feels good that I've done this every day. It helps with my energy in the afternoons. Now, I gotta go deal with the energy of the morning and all the kids. As one of my daughters said the other night, let the mayhem begin.